Does the rain make you upset because of your leaking roof, gutters, or chimney boots? Now you don't have to worry. Anchor Seal Water Stop Sealant will stop those leaks and give you complete peace of mind. A simple and inexpensive alternative to other solutions on the market. Anchor Seal Rubberized Sealant Spray has been developed through extensive research from Anchor Allied. The easy way to coat, seal, and stop water leaks with UV protection in any weather condition once applied. It seals cracks and joints up to 1/4 inch and even coats surfaces which can later be painted with any color of your choice. Very simple and easy to apply. Just spray on the area of the leak when it's dry from a distance of about 25 centimeters and leave it for a day. It works on any surface and dries in 24 hours. For further information, please visit our website at www.anchorallied.com.